music, we was going 60.
From their parents and their peers, yeah, he was bullied.
Steve from SMS Audio got 8 ground 012 on 2 sound digital 20K.
20Ks? Okay. Did you build this?
Yes.
Very nice. Is it a 4th or 6th? Okay. Have you ever tried doing a 4th and then you added that rear port, or is it always a 6th?
Always 6.
Always 6th? Okay. Very nice. What's your tunings on this? If you know, sorry.
I've been shrinking and so much and retuning.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Do you know your bandwidth?
I can play about 10 hertz to 70.
There you go. Okay. All right. Sorry, I just like to know the info for the video. Appreciate the
9 years just hiding away the truth from their parents.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Getting a little warm? Yeah, I can feel it. I do a lot of YouTube videos. JacobViral, how you doing?
Steve.
Okay, nice to meet you, man. I like this. Nice job. Wow. So, what kind of, have you done any SPL tests on it, or?
No, we just doors open on music, we was going 60.
Okay, very nice. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
All right, very nice. Good to hear, man. Look under the hood and see everything under. Hey, JacobViral, how you doing? How you doing? Yes, sir. I'm doing a video right now. Hey, how you doing? Doing a video. JacobViral, how you doing? You watch my videos, or are you demoing?
Yeah, I'm demoing too.
Okay. I'm gonna go with him. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. Be sure to give Steve a like and comment what you like about his system. Insane bass demo we're going to be getting to today. Some crazy hair trick experience and crazy subflex. And really, he was floating pretty much anything that you put at the window. Total of 20,000 watts on each of these amplifiers. 40K because he has 2 of them. If you missed that earlier, these are the specs of these amplifiers. Look like they're rated actually over 22,000 watts in the 14 volt range if you clamp that at that 1 ohm mark. And this is a really big box. Perspective, if you look, fitting 812s inside of a 6th order enclosure. There's actually a ported chamber in the back, and then of course there's another chamber underneath. So you actually have 2 chambers, top and bottom chamber, and this is all ground zero system. So I don't really see a lot of ground zero audio since it isn't really an American style brand, but you can see right there in the back of the port, there's just a small 10-inch, it looks like arrow port back there, either 10 or 12. And the way the actual port location is actually tuned really low. He didn't really tell me the tuning of it, but it's based on playing down to 10 hertz, it's probably tuned in the high teen frequencies. And these subs being inverted helped with the cooling and just to be able to see the beauty of them. So you're going to have to stay tuned. Really crazy demo. Wanted to see the specs on the subwoofer. I looked it up online. Looks like they're rated at around 2 to 3,000 watts RMS with a 70 millimeter X Max both ways. So definitely a high performance SPL subwoofer. So a total of 40,000 watts on this 812-inch subwoofer system. We're getting to a demo now. Welcome to my channel, JacobViral. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more car audio systems like this. I post every single day, so enjoy the demo. Pretty crazy.
Found him in his room, hanging up from the ceiling. Mama told me, "Bunch, you better tell me just how you feeling." I laughed my Talking to the man, I don't know what to do. I'm telling me command, show me what's on the news. Need an idea, just hiding away the truth from the pants. It's labels, but it's cool. If I'm in this room, hanging from the ceiling, I'ma tell me what you better tell me just how you feeling. I feel the way you gotta call me better thing. Give a kiss, give my pussy, and put on the way. You was getting better in the future.
Appreciate the demo. Really good bandwidth, the musical and windy, everything. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. I like this. Nice job. Wow. So, what kind of, have you done any SPL tests on it, or?
No, we just doors open on music. We was going 60.
Okay, very nice. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
All right, very nice. Good to hear, man. What was your name?
Steve.
Steve. Thank you very much, Steve. JacobViral, man. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you for the windy demo. Nice hair tricks too. You have a good day, man. Stay cool.